Should you repair your siding or replace it? And how does something like fiber cement siding, such as James Hardie's Hardie plank or even Sem plank, fit into the mix? If your home has hardboard siding and most of the siding around the house looks good, you don't necessarily have to jump into a full replacement. There are actually a lot of reasons why siding repair in Colorado can be the smarter, more strategic choice. The first reason has to do with cost. It may be more cost effective to do a repair. Replacing only the damaged sections helps you avoid the full cost of labor and materials. It is obviously the most budget-friendly option when you're dealing with localized damage, especially if the rest of your siding is still doing its job. Why we sometimes recommend fiber cement when we're doing repair. Number one, it adds long-term durability where you need it most. Let's say some lower panels or lower planks have rotted due to snow accumulation, sprinklers, insect damage. Replacing just those areas with fiber cement gives you a more durable material, stronger, is more weather resistant, more water resistant in those areas where you need it most. Number two, your original siding might be unavailable. If your hardboard siding is old and a discontinued profile, a perfect match may not exist. In those cases, using Hardie plank or Sem plank provides a solid, reliable repair, a durable product, even if the texture is slightly different. And with a good paint job, most people won't notice the difference. Number three, it's easier on the budget. If you can't commit to a full siding replacement right now, you can start with repairs that use better materials. This approach helps you avoid throwing money at short-term fixes that won't last. You're improving the home one section at a time and doing it in a smart way when you're using a product like James Hardie. What about the aesthetic differences between a traditional hardboard siding and James Hardie siding? Fiber cement siding and old hardboard composite wood siding might not look identical, but here's the deal. We can paint the repaired sections to match your existing color, and in most cases, it blends in just fine. So what are the situations when replacement really is the best option? Here are a few signs. Widespread rot or mold, multiple sections with water intrusion, insects or pests getting into the walls, a situation where you're doing other big exterior updates like a window replacement, you're ready for a more modern look, improving the curb appeal. If those sound like situations that you're in, if that sounds like your house, let's talk about replacement siding and what a full replacement siding project might look like for you. If you're dealing with localized damage and want to extend the life of your home's exterior without breaking the bank and doing a full replacement, siding repair with fiber cement siding like James Hardie can be the ideal solution. And remember, Bellwether is your trusted guide no matter which route you take. We know this climate, we know the codes, we know what works. If you're not quite ready for the full Bellwether transformation, that's totally okay. That's why we created Colorado Siding Repair, our sister company that specializes in siding repair, partial replacement, and phased upgrade projects. We'll meet you where you're at either way and help you make a decision that's smart, practical, and tailored to your home and your budget.